It's very small. It's minute.
Whoa. This word can mean very small, but when we use it to talk about something very small, it is not pronounced as minute. When pronounced as minute with a short I sound and the stress is on the first syllable, minute, the most common definition of this as a noun is a unit of time equal to 60 seconds. But you already knew that. As an adjective to describe something very small, it is pronounced as minute, not minute. The first syllable has a long I sound, my, and the second syllable is stressed, newt. It's got the same vowel sound as the word boot, newt, minute. But be careful, don't go calling everything around you that is small as minute. You will probably never hear anyone talk about ordering a minute pizza or living in a minute house because minute often collocates or goes with certain nouns. So to make sure you don't incorrectly use this adjective, here are 5 common collocations that you can use with the adjective minute. Our first collocation with the adjective minute is detail, minute detail. Like in this sentence, she examined the contract for any minute details she might have missed. This sentence means that she carefully read the contract to find any very small or minor details that she might have not noticed before. Our next noun that minute collocates with is difference. Like in this sentence, there is a minute difference between these 2 shades of blue. This sentence means that the difference between these 2 shades of blue is extremely small. The difference between these 2 colors is so small that it might be very hard to notice without looking very carefully. Our third noun that minute often collocates with is amount, so a minute amount. For example, a minute amount of this chemical can be deadly. This sentence tells the listener that the chemical is highly toxic, so only a small amount is needed to have severe or deadly effects. So be careful. Next up, we have a collocation that you might hear while attending a science class, and that's minute particle. In science, a particle refers to tiny parts of matter like atoms or molecules, or even smaller components like protons, neutrons, and electrons. Using this collocation, we could say, this microscope can detect even the most minute particles. This sentence means that the microscope is powerful enough to see the tiniest particles. It's a very powerful microscope. Stepping out of the science classroom and into your English classroom, you may come across the collocation minute change. Like in this sentence, he made minute changes to his essay to improve clarity. This sentence means that he made very small or minor adjustments or changes to his essay to make it clearer or easier for readers to understand. So remember, 60 seconds is a minute. Something extremely small is minute. But don't call everything small minute simply because you want to use a new vocabulary word. Try using it with one of the nouns it often collocates with and create your own example sentences in the comments. See you in the future.